Welcome! In front of me I have Honor Watch ES, and I'm gonna show you how to change the steps goal on this watch. Basically the goal for the amounts of steps taken during the day. Before we start, if you want to change the steps goal on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Huawei Health application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Huawei Health application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Once you open the app, you should see the health page, and on it you should see activity widget, and on the activity widget you will see today's steps, and you will have the numbers right here. Tap on this today's steps button, or maybe frame box. Once you tap on it, it will open the steps menu, and here, as you can see, we have goal progress, and we have something out of 7,000. And to change the goal, daily goal, tap on edit right here, and right here we can adjust the edit, or rather goal, my bad. And to adjust the goal, simply swipe on the slider, and once you're done adjusting, tap on save, and the goal will be saved, as you can see. And once you're done, you can close the app. And that's how you change the steps goal on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.